And I'm off to the airport for my third time. Happy Wednesday. Let's see if we can catch a scenic flight this time. Alrighty, I'm gonna try and see as many new things as I can this year, and so I'm gonna head out to the airport right now and meet my friend Double or Nothing and maybe get a little airport tour. So I guess the airport is at the dead end of 5 o'clock, so let's go where I've never gone before. That looked amazing! Are you just getting here?
Yeah. Right
Welcome home! Hey!
I can't believe it. What's going on?
Hey, look, it's Double or Nothing.
Well, thank you for coming. We're going to the bar. So,
You want to give us a quick tour?
Yeah.
So we're at the airport gate, which is just like the main gate that you may know, with all the same features. You have the incoming flights, tickets, box office, gate, and greeters. And here we have a couple fresh arrivals coming in.
Follow the lady! Follow the lady! Get it? Snow Angel! Alright, and you have to
As hard as you can.
give it a good one. Thank you! Yes!
Wow, it's a whole different crowd at the airport. Hi, Boombox. You live at the airport?
Yes, I live on the airport. Correct.
The bar is closed, but Boombox offered us a drink at his place.
Yes.
I just met him. It's weird because I feel like I'm at like I am at an airport, but it feels like I'm in a place like SFO because there's all those similarities here. People waiting for buses and all that. But I'm at,
parking lot.
yeah, but here we are at Black Rock City's airport. So that's a new experience. Hey, Double or Nothing. So you just got off your shift at the airport.
I did. My first trip out of 3 months. So
How long have you been volunteering for the airport?
I've been volunteering for about maybe 4 years. The reason I do it is because I like talking to people. I'm a greeter. And I love hugging people, and they come from all over the world.
You're an airport greeter. Where did you meet people from today?
Like I said, Dubai. A lot of Mexicans came because they're with the Mayan Warrior art card. Colombian, New Zealand, Australian, English, Ibiza.
What's the weirdest thing you've seen at the airport?
Well, we used to place fake drugs on people. Back in the day, we were custom inspector. So we were like, okay, we're gonna check, what's this? And they're like, let's check. They would freak out. And we're like, we're gonna have to call security. And when they were really upset, we're like, we're just like,
Just messing with you. One wheels unite. All right, so it's almost 4 o'clock, and we need to go prep for Taco Tuesday. And there's still like 40 flights in front of us, so we're just gonna cut our losses because there's no way they're gonna get to us in time, and try again tomorrow. All right, and I'm off to the airport for my third time. Happy Wednesday. Let's see if we can catch a scenic flight this time. Hey, what's your name?
John.
Hey, John. What time did you get here?
Around 6:30.
So how long have you been waiting?
Around 5 hours.
5 hours. Okay, this might be a while. Do you think you'll get a flight today?
Yes.
Okay. So if you've been here for 5 hours and the airport closes at 7 and I got here, I may or may not even catch a flight today. That's good to know. Saying it's a water plane, or?
Yeah, it's an amphibian. Yeah, so you retract the wheels, and it can land and take off on water. They'll run up the playa 30 or 40 miles, and they'll all go to one of the hot springs and go swimming up there.
I just
I hear
told the airport that they should consider how long they want to continue having any operations today, because it's 50-mile-an-hour downdrafts. If I try and land in the wet and try and noodle my way over, there's a good chance that those 50-mile-an-hour downdrafts hit me at some point in that window and then flip the plane over. over.
Safety first. All right, day 3, inclement weather. We're gonna try again on Friday. So yeah, I mean the immediate draw was catching a flight, but we haven't made it up, but we just had fun at the airport and packed some snacks, met new friends, played some games. You know, you set your intentions, leave your expectations, and be open to whatever kind of experience you have. And you know, we're the kind of people who have fun when we get locked in an RV park for 10 hours. Link in the description.
That was epic. I felt like I could reach out and touch Razorback.
Yeah. Hey, how was it? You got the GoPro? Sweet. Come by for some roasted chicken anytime. Maybe we should try and do brunch tomorrow.
That sounds good.
That was fun. I highly recommend you go down to the airport.
What a blast. What a fresh perspective. Yeah, it's you know, one of the things that makes Black Rock City a bona fide city. NV88. Hope you enjoyed our little adventure. If you're in the default world, that's where you smash like and hit subscribe if you want future notifications. We're gonna go to Burning Man. See you in the next one.
Ciao.